Hello student, I am Shama, your Englishman. How are you? I hope you all are well doing and safe. Student, today I am here to teach you our fifth lesson of English Wolf World. Student, now look here. This is the story about a boy who lived in a village. Okay student? And that boy is very naughty. There was a naughty boy who lived in a village. He did not like going to school. This made his parents very sad and angry. Okay student? They sent the boy to work for a shepherd. The shepherd needed a helper. A wolf from the forest nearby had been taking away his sheep one by one. The shepherd told the boy what he had to do. On the first day, he took the sheep and the boy to the hillside. He gave a boy whistle and asked him to watch the sheep while he went to look after his cows in a field nearby. He told the boy to shout "Wolf, wolf" and blow the whistle if he saw the wolf. The villagers would then come running to help the boy. They would frighten the wolf away. After telling the boy this, the shepherd went away. Student, what happened here? The shepherd gave the boy a whistle and told him to shout "Wolf, wolf" if he see the sheep. Okay? And after that, the villagers would then come running to help the boy. Okay? After that, the wolf would be frightened and it will be went away. Okay, student? The boy watched the sheep for some time. After a while, he could not sit quietly any longer. He wanted to do something naughty. Okay, that boy was naughty, so he wanted to trick the villagers. Okay, student? Wolf, wolf, he shouted and blew the whistle. What he shouted, students? Wolf, wolf. Okay, and he shouted and then blew the whistle. The villagers ran to him with sticks in their hands. What the villagers are having in their hands? They are having sticks. Okay, students? When they reached the boy, they saw him laughing loudly. What was the boy doing? The boy was laughing. It means that boy was tricking the villagers. Okay? He had tricked them. They were very angry with the naughty boy and went back to their work. Student, for first time they were angry, but they not said anything to that boy. Okay? After some time, the boy shouted again, "Wolf, wolf," and blew the whistle. Once again, the villagers came running with their sticks. Once again, there was no wolf. Once again, they only saw the boy laughing very loudly. This time, they shouted at the boy and told him never to play this trick again. They told him that they had a lot of work to do and they could not keep running to him when there was no wolf there. What happened, student? When again he did the same thing, okay, wolf, wolf, and blew the whistle, this time the villagers told that boy, don't do again like this. We will not come again and again because we are having lots of work to do. Okay, student? After some time, the boy fell asleep. Suddenly, he heard the sheep cry, "Ba, ba." When he woke up, he saw the wolf coming towards the sheep. He blew his whistle and shouted, "Wolf, wolf," but this time no one came to help him. He cried out again and blew the whistle as loud as he could, but no one came. The villagers thought that the boy was tricking them again. The wolf caught a sheep and carried it away. Now, student, after this, what happened? The boy, after some time, he fell asleep. Suddenly, what happened? He heard that sheep was crying. How the sheep was crying? Ba, ba. What happened? When he woke up, he saw that wolf is coming towards his sheep. Okay. After that, he used to blow the whistle and shouted "Wolf, wolf." But this time, what happened, student? Not a single villager, not a single person used to come to help that boy. Okay? At this time also, they thought that this boy is tricking them. But this was the real one. Okay? When the shepherd returned, he was very angry with the boy. He scolded him and sent him home. The boy knew that he had done something very wrong. What happened, student? That the wolf had taken away that sheep. Okay? And after that, he realized that he had done something very wrong. For this, he was very sorry for himself. Okay, student? And what happened? That shepherd scolded him very badly and sent him home. Okay, student, he knew that it was because of him that this had happened. He walked up to his parents and gave them a big hug and cried. He promised them that he would not play tricks like this again. He told them that he would be good from then on. Then they were happy to hear what he had to say and asked him if he wanted to go back to school again. He looked them, wiped the tears from his eyes and nodded his head. Yes, please, Mummy and Daddy, he said as he gave them an even bigger hug. From this lesson, student, you understand that we should never trick from anyone. Okay, understood, student? Thank you.